I'm Lisa Cantalupo Leather Art here, and I'm in the shop today working on a project for a customer.
This is her Valentino leather belt that she had purchased in a size extra large.
This is a beautiful belt, but it was way too big for her. Now, if you have belts in your closet that you don't wear anymore, they don't fit you anymore, they're falling apart, and you're looking for an idea of what to do with them, here's one for you. We're going to make her daughter a keychain. Designed something, and then I made my template. I cut out some leather, I bought some hardware, tested out the prototype to make sure that my design works, and it works well. Got her hardware, and now I'm going to turn this piece of leather into a keychain for her daughter.
I had already prepared and tested my template, so I'm ready to cut her belt. I'm beveling the edges of the belt and using my rotary drill to sand them smooth. This bit that I'm using came in a set, and boy, do I love them all. I use them all the time. I'll add the link to purchase a set in the video's description. What I wasn't able to reach with the drill, I'm now getting with this small file. Toco Pro. This is my favorite burnishing gum. And this bone burnishing tool that I'm using is awesome. I'll add those links to the toolbox list in the video's description. Because I need to match the edges of the existing belt, I decided to use EcoFlow's Edge Flex to paint the new edges. There's a tool to apply this paint, but here I'm using the stick part of a cotton swab. Now we wait for the paint to dry. It's finally time to add the hardware. Before I can do that though, I need to skive or thin out the leather first and then give it a coat of paint too. Here I'm using Skiving's black edge coat. I will add the link for both paints in the video's description. These links are affiliate links, which means that I will make a small commission when used and at no extra cost to you. This is a way to support my channel without it costing you anything. Because the belt leather is more firm than the leather that I had used to test my template, I decided to test fit the hardware first. I marked the holes with the awl before I used the hole punch to punch out those holes. And here we go, the finishing steps, adding the ring, the clip, and a Chicago screw. And here is the final piece, a Valentino leather keychain made especially for my client's daughter.
Now, if you have some ideas what to do with your old leather belts, I want to hear about them. Please post them in the comments. And if you liked this video and you're interested in other DIY ideas and tutorials, please check out my playlist and my other videos because it's packed with information that I have gathered for the last 20 or so years that I've been working with leather and designing my own pieces, making my own templates, and I'm uploading them for you. Please like, share, and subscribe. Your support is always appreciated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
For more DIY leather crafting tips and tricks, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click that bell to be notified when new videos are released. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.